Good old L'Hopital's rule. Now, L'Hopital's rule is going to help us when we try to plug in our number. And if we get 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, we have problems. Now, most of us would look at this and think of unit 1 and be like, well, let's just factor this out. Well, L'Hopital's rule gives us a different option. L'Hopital's rule says that if I were to plug in 2, I would get 2 squared minus 2 squared, which is 4. That would be 0. I would get 2, that would be 0. That is an indeterminate function. Okay, that's bad. All right, so I can't plug in 2. Now, I'm not going to factor because L'Hopital's rule says that I can just take the derivative of the top. So the limit as x approaches 2, let's take the derivative of the top, d dx, the top, so x squared minus 4, and the derivative of the bottom, so d dx, x minus 2, and then repeat the process. Okay, so the limit as x approaches 2, the derivative of x squared minus 4 is 2x, and the derivative of x minus 2 is just 1. So now I can plug in 2, and I can get 2 times 2 over 1, which is 4 over 1, which is 4. So L'Hopital's rule says we don't need to factor anymore. We'll just take the derivative of the top, the derivative of the bottom, try it again, see what happens, and if it works, and it did. If it doesn't work, repeat. But in this case, it worked. Everyone wins.